this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a button to your Mailchimp email campaigns so you can drive clicks, sales, and engagement. Once logged in, go to the Campaigns tab. Either edit an existing campaign or create a new one. In the email editor, look for the button Content Block. Then simply drag and drop it where you want it in your email. Next, customize your button text with an action phrase like Shop Now or Learn More. Then add the URL you want people to land on. Make sure it's correct and working. Now style your button. Adjust the color to match your brand. Resize it so it's easy to tap on mobile and choose the alignment that fits best with your layout. Once done, click Save and Close. And that's it. You've successfully added a button in Mailchimp. This simple step can instantly boost clicks and conversions. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Mailchimp guides.